meat on there. Do a call for y'all. I wasn't able to get all of it out, but there's a lot of meat in here. We see Tank quiet because she fucking that food up.